Close your eyes and imagine what it feels like to wake up to the sound of gentle waves, the smell of fresh lemongrass, and the sight of the golden sun peeking over a lush tropical landscape. Welcome to the world of Thai wellness retreats, where the ancient and the contemporary converge to offer you an unparalleled journey of rejuvenation and healing. Meet James, a writer from London, who embarked on a wellness journey to Thailand. "I was feeling burnt out, physically and emotionally," he shares. "Taking a break and heading to a wellness retreat in Thailand seemed like a good idea. It turned out to be one of the best decisions I've ever made." James spent 2 weeks at a retreat in Phuket, immersing himself in yoga, meditation, and traditional Thai massage. Then there's Maria, a software engineer from San Francisco, who chose Thailand as her wellness destination. "I was skeptical at first," she admits, "but the moment I arrived, I felt a sense of calm I hadn't experienced in years." Maria found tranquility in Chiang Mai, where she delved into herbal therapies and mindful living. From the bustling metropolis of Bangkok to the serene beaches of Koh Samui, Thailand offers a plethora of wellness retreats that cater to diverse needs and preferences. Here, wellness isn't just a buzzword, it's a way of life, deeply rooted in the country's rich cultural heritage. Take a moment to imagine practicing yoga in an open-air pavilion, surrounded by lush greenery and a tranquil lake. Picture yourself indulging in a traditional Thai massage, where skilled practitioners use age-old techniques to soothe your muscles and stimulate your energy flow. Envision experiencing a herbal steam bath, where the aromatic herbs cleanse your body and calm your mind. Jasmine, an entrepreneur from Sydney, shares her experience with Thai wellness practices. "I went to Thailand for a holiday and decided to try a Thai massage on a whim," she recounts. "It was unlike anything I'd ever experienced. I felt lighter, both physically and mentally. It was so transformative that I decided to incorporate Thai wellness practices into my daily routine." Thailand's wellness retreats offer more than just a break from your routine. They provide a sanctuary for your body and mind, where you can disconnect from the chaos of the outside world and reconnect with yourself. They offer a space for healing, growth, and transformation. As we navigate the complexities of the modern world, it becomes more important than ever to prioritize our wellness. And what better way to do so than by immersing ourselves in the therapeutic practices that have stood the test of time? So if you're yearning for a wellness experience that transcends the ordinary, consider embarking on a journey to Thailand. Explore the country's traditional healing practices, indulge in its tranquil wellness retreats, and immerse yourself in a world of rejuvenation and healing. Because wellness isn't a destination, it's a journey, and it's time you took the first step.